I called the Tantal and RCMP, and 6 police cars got to my house. Anyway, my husband said, Anita, there's 6 police here. Now my husband got here and 4 police were here. My husband said, I don't need you, and he doesn't. I did 140. I don't care if you believe me. I know what happened to me today. I called my husband. I said, they're after me. My husband said, get to the Tantal and RCMP. My husband came to the house. There was 5 police cars here. They came here, 6 police cars, and told my husband, I passed 4 vehicles doing 140. I said, I'm doing 140, and I passed 6 cars. I had to overtake 6 vehicles to get to the Tantal and RCMP. And I had to do 140 in a Mercedes, and I overpassed 3 people to get to the Tantal and RCMP. And I'm angry with the RCMP.
The silence
Mike,
of the
I had to
public
pass
is
4 cars
yes.
doing
Yes,
140 in my car. Told 3. Remember, I worked in a big law firm in Toronto. I sold my story to 3 good friends. I had a bar in Toronto. I told my story to 3 investigative reporters and said they're chasing me, and the stupid RCMP don't know what I'm talking about.